Hello class 10 students, welcome back to my channel Learn with Ease. Let's see the takeaway from the story A Baker from Goa, which is an excerpt from the book Glimpses of India. The first, Nostalgia for Traditional Life. The story reflects on the time when bakers called padder were an integral part of Goan households. Their arrival early in the morning with the jingling sound of their bamboo was eagerly awaited by everyone. Second, cultural significance of bread. Bread was not just food, it was symbolic of celebrations and social occasions like marriages, Christmas and feasts. It highlights how food is deeply tied to culture. Third, hard work of bakers. The bakers were seen as hardworking individuals who provided fresh bread every day, illustrating the dedication and importance of their craft. Fourth, simplicity of life. The description of simpler times where life revolved around small joys like freshly baked bread and community traditions shows the charm of the past. Fifth, heritage and continuity. The story reminds readers that although times change, cultural practices like bread making and its importance in Goan life continue to hold importance. The chapter KOORG provides a vivid description of the beautiful region of KOORG, that is KODAVU in Karnataka, its culture, people and natural beauty. The key takeaways from this chapter include: first, natural beauty of KOORG. The lush green hills, coffee plantations, evergreen forests and misty landscapes make it a paradise for nature lovers. The chapter emphasizes the serene and picturesque environment of the region. Second, rich culture and heritage. The KODAVU people of KOORG are known for their unique culture, including their traditional attire, festivals, and warrior spirit. They are believed to be descendants of either the Greeks or Arabs, giving their culture a fascinating historical touch. Third, hospitality of the people. KODAVUs are warm and hospitable, known for their generosity and openness to visitors. Fourth, adventure and tourism. KOORG is a haven for adventure seekers, offering activities like river rafting, trekking, and wildlife exploration. It is an ideal destination for travelers looking for excitement and serenity. Fifth, pride in martial tradition. The KODAVUs have a strong martial tradition. Many of them have served in the Indian Army, contributing significantly to the nation's defense. Sixth, connection to nature. The story highlights the harmony between the people of KOORG and their natural surroundings, promoting a sense of environmental responsibilities. The chapter Tea from Assam from the book Glimpses of India provides a vivid description of tea plantation in Assam and the significance of tea in Indian and global culture. Here are the key takeaways. First, popularity of tea. The chapter emphasizes tea as one of the most popular beverages worldwide, with millions enjoying it daily. It portrays tea as a unifying drink loved by people across cultures. Second, natural beauty of Assam. The lush green plantations of Assam are highlighted, showcasing the scenic beauty of the region. The chapter captures the charm of the vast stretches of tea gardens, adding to the allure of Assam. Third, hard work of tea garden workers. The mention of tea pluckers, their diligent efforts and the labor-intensive process of tea cultivation reflects the hard work behind every cup of tea. Fourth, historical insight. The story briefly touches on the origin of tea and fascinating legends such as those about Chinese emperor and Bodhidharma, making tea an interesting cultural and historical element. Fifth, curiosity and exploration. Through the characters of Rajveer and Pranjal, the chapter encourages curiosity and the spirit of exploration. Rajveer's excitement to learn more about tea is infectious and inspiring.